Stitch Fix Day. Hi everyone, it's Barbara at BCsells. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing. Okay, I have requested a complete outfit. Here is the inside of my box. All I did was leave my stylist a note and let her know the things that I don't want. I don't want gray. I would like brighter colors. I would like a cardigan. Whatever she wants to put together. No thin straps, no grays, nothing with a lot of print. Just what I didn't want. I don't really know what I want until I see it. So I told her that she could go higher in my price point as long as it's a unique item. So I'm excited to see. It looks like there are a pair of shoes in here. So let's get started. Okay, so they give you a prepaid envelope to send back anything that doesn't work out for you. And I believe this goes to the post office. Yes, it does. And then here's your envelope with style sheets and a note from your stylist. Let me just take a peek and see if I have the same stylist I had last time. I had Catherine last time. This time, oh, I have a new stylist. Nida. So, okay. Let's see, what else? That's interesting. Okay, here's my price sheet. Oh, This says, hi, Anna. My name's Barbara. Sorry. Oops, already, Okay, well, let's see if these are the same items. I don't know. If you don't know, Stitch Fix has a $25 styling fee. We'll start with the shoes. Anything you buy from your box, that $25 is applied to your purchase. You have 3 days to make a decision, and you can always ask for an extension. You just go online and just put it in, and it's no problem. But let's start with the shoes. Oh, and if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. Oh. These could be cute. I'm not a square toe girl. I like more of a pointed toe or a round toe, but these might come in handy with me having surgery. And they feel like they're pretty cushiony. Here's one. Let's get the other one out. I'll show you the pair. They feel really soft. It feels like a nice soft leather. Okay, so here are the shoes. Oh, they are. They're from FRANCO, SARTO. So, I don't know. I'm willing to try anything because you never know. Here's our little burrito. See what's in here. Oh, okay. These are all kind of dark. I see a gray. Okay. This is sleeveless. Looks like it buttons up. Polka dots. Okay, well, we'll see. I can't see Michael Stars. Well, this, I mean, it's gray, but who's this by? Kind of a gray sweater. It's gray. Michael Stars. We'll see. Oh, cardigan. It's navy. Revolution. It looks like it's got, it's kind of scalloped. So that's pretty. Wonder if it has pockets. Oh, no pockets. You don't see pockets. Nope, no pockets. I asked for a cardigan, so we'll see. Oh, here's a pair of pants. Stripe. Oh, they look like they're slide-ons. What are these? Liverpool. Liverpool doesn't normally fit me well, but, oh, they look like they're capris. Somebody's not reading my style information. Oh, no. They're longer. But on the tag, they look like capris. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna keep an open mind. They're more like a dress pants. They're really nice quality, and they have the pinstripe, which I like, so I could be pleasantly surprised. So let's do a try on. We have a little hiccup. No big deal, it's really not. But the style sheet and the price sheet belong to somebody else. They do not belong with my items. I did receive items that were meant for me. I called customer service. They're going to send me the style sheet and the price sheet. So, you know, what are you gonna do? These things happen, no big deal. I went to my checkout on the app and pulled up the items so I could talk to you about them a little bit more and give you the pricing. I'm not gonna do a review at the end. I'll let you know as we go through the items. So I have 3 pieces on. Let's start with this. Okay, the first item is this Michael Stars sweater. This sweater feels amazing. It really does. It is nice and soft, but it's $108. Okay, and it's gray. I don't wear this light gray. It's called the Chloe Scoop Neck Sweater. It's really nice here on the sleeve where it has the larger cuff, and then the material is a little separate right here. So that's kind of neat. It's got these little specks in it. It almost looks navy. That's probably why she sent it to me. And I do have the same stylist. The one that I said is not mine. That belongs to somebody else. It is a dolman, I guess. Well, drop shoulder and looser. I mean, it's a very nice soft sweater. It's just not my style. I mean, I know nothing special about the neck. It almost looks like a sweatshirt, but it's really, really soft. And it's $108, no thank you. Okay, let me show you the pants. The pants feel really nice. They are Liverpool. They are the Stella Kick Flare Pant. They're short. I don't like these short ankle pants. $78. They're striped. They feel really good. They are a pull-on. So let me show you those. It has the nice panel here. It goes all the way around. They fit really well. I think I got a panty line thing going on, but that can be fixed. I like the pinstripe in them. The material, like I said, feels nice, but then look how short they are. You guys that know me know this is not my look. Nope. No. Maybe with high heel, no, not even with high heels. Yeah, the pants, if you like this length, you will probably love these pants because they are very comfortable, but they're just, the length of them is not for me. All right, these shoes, they are so comfortable. They are padded. The wider toe is probably a good thing, but it's not my style. That square toe, no, that's not for me. But this brand, it may be something more pointed toe or rounded toe, then I could try some flats. Normally I can't wear flats, but these actually feel very nice. Let me give you a better look. If you're looking for a comfortable pair of shoes and you like the square toe, these are perfect for you. The little heel. Excuse my bandage. Cute, cute shoes. Okay, so if you like a square toe, these are so comfortable, but just not my style. We all have our own thing. Let me back up, show you the complete outfit. Here you go. Okay, try on the next 2 items. Michael Stars, split neck, love split necks. It only has like 2 buttons right here. Oh wait, 3. Obviously it's sleeveless, navy, polka dot, $108. Yikes, $108. Seems kind of high for just, I know Michael Stars is pricey, but I mean, it does feel nice. You can feel the quality in it, that's for sure. So it's, I've got a front tuck Pull that out, put my jeans back on so you can see how long it is. I mean, it's really, you know, it's a very nice top. It's not a barber top. It's got the little collar here, which I like, but it's just, it's not anything that I will reach for. I won't reach for this, so, and especially $108. Okay, let me get the cardigan on. I'll be right back. Here's the cardigan. This is a really nice cardigan. This is by Evolution by CYRUS. It's $68. And if you're looking for a nice navy cardigan that has the scallop edges, it's on this side there, all the way down, even on the very bottom, so it scallops all the way around, and on the sleeves, then this could be for you. It is really nice. It's not real thin, it's not thick, so it's kind of that in between. So I left the shirt on with it, which it looks good together. Put my jeans on. Let me show you the sweater, the length. Okay, I have these shoes on, and I'm gonna back up and show you the whole outfit with my denim. The shoes look better with the denim. I'm debating if I wanna keep them because they fit and they're comfortable during the time that my foot is healing. I don't like the style, so I'm not sure how much I'll actually wear them, but they're very comfortable. So I'm on the fence on that, but let me back up and show you the whole outfit. Here's with the shoes. Again, if you like square toes, these could be for you. It's got the little heel. I mean, it's a cute outfit. What do you guys think? Okay, the more I wear this sweater, the more scratchy it feels. Bummer, yeah, it does feel a little scratchy. I'm on the fence. So I'm on the fence with the sweater. I'm not a scallop girl. Scallop edge, I mean, it's nice, it's just not my style. But, I don't know. Oh, it's getting scratchy. I don't know, I'm on the fence with the sweater. It is very nice, and the shoes. And the shoes only because of my foot with the surgery. But I might hold out for either pointy that have room for my foot, or, you know, more likely a round toe. Maybe I'll hold off for something like that. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence. So that's what I have for you. I will let you know on my vlog on Saturday that will air on March 21st of my keepers. And until then, if you would like to try Stitch Fix, I think I said in the video it was $25. It's actually a $20 styling fee. But if you use my link, you get a $25 credit, and this girl gets a $25 credit. Win-win. Okay, that's all I have for you today, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.